Today we're going to be taking a look at the Roadmaster High-Low Adapter for tow bars with a 4-inch riser drop. And that's going to be part number RM-048-4. Whenever we're towing anything, we want to make sure that it's going to be nice and level. So we'll show you how to measure to make sure that your flat tow setup is going to be level. First, we'll start off by coming to where our connection point on our base plate is going to hook up to our tow bar. And we'll measure from the ground right to about the middle of where that pin would go through. It's right about 15 3/4 inches. So now we can move over to our motorhome, and we're going to measure from the ground to the inside top edge of the receiver tube opening. Now that's about 19 1/4 inches. So that's about a difference of 3.5 inches. Now that's just over the maximum amount allowed with our tow bar. That's where our high-low adapter is going to come into play. It's going to go directly into the receiver tube on our motorhome. We'll line up the hitch pin hole, and we can put in our hitch pin and clip. Now these aren't included in the kit, but you can pick them up here at etrailer.com using part number PC3. Now this is going to provide us either a 4-inch drop or rise to accommodate the different height differences between our setup. Our high-low adapter is going to make sure that our tow bar is going to sit nice and level now, making sure that we're not putting any unnecessary stress on the tow bar, the base plate, or on our motorhome's hitch. That way we can get down the road safely and make sure everything's nice and secure. Our high-low adapter is going to have a solid steel shank, so it's going to be extra strong and have that rigidness that we need. Our high-low adapter is rated at 10,000 pounds of maximum towing capacity, and it has a 400-pound maximum tongue weight. Now the distance from the center of the hitch pin hole that's going to go in our receiver tube to the center of the hitch pin hole over here is going to be roughly about 10 inches. And from the center of the hitch pin hole to the outermost edge of our high-low adapter is going to be about 12.5 inches. Now all of those measurements are going to come in handy when we're looking at safety cables, because it is going to extend it out past the hitch itself, so you may need longer safety cables to make everything work. And it's going to provide us a 2-inch receiver tube opening so that we can slide our tow bar right in. We'll line up our hitch pin hole and secure it down. So now we can just finish hooking everything up, like our electrical and our safety cables, and we'll be ready to go. And that'll finish up your look at the Roadmaster High-Low Adapter for tow bars with a 4-inch riser drop, part number RM-048-4.